How to cancel Netflix subscription. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open netflix.com in your preferred browser, as this cannot be done from the Netflix app itself. So, once you have opened your preferred browser, tap on the search bar and search for netflix.com. Now, make sure that you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign in using your Netflix login credentials, and further, tap on the Manage Account option you see there. You will then see the option for Manage Membership. Tap on the Manage Membership option, and in the interface that you will then be led to, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Cancel Membership. Tap on the Cancel Membership option, and with this you will be shown with various options that you can do instead of canceling your membership, such as changing the plan or pausing for a month. So, if you are sure of canceling your membership, then tap on the Cancel option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the Finish Cancellation option, and with this, your Netflix cancellation will be processed. So this is how you can cancel Netflix subscription. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.